Hello and welcome to today's video. Currently I just finished getting ready. My husband has he rented an excavator because we're getting a Connex tomorrow, and so we need to prep the spot. So I'm gonna go out and help him with that. Houston's still sleeping. I'm gonna ask my brother to open his door here for him and then text me when Houston wakes up. But well, Houston's sleeping as much as he will, so we can get as much done without having to worry about him. But so today I've already made the list. Let's see what it is. So help Cody drink 4 of my bottles of water, read 20 pages, edit at least 2 videos because they're stacking up again, walk at least a mile, and then do a small little workout. Here it is, and hopefully we can get all of it. And we might go clam digging later. I didn't write that down because I didn't know for sure if we would go or not, so we'll just have to see on that. But yep, that's what's on tap for today. Let's go help Cody. Right here. You good, Bubs? Bubba, you good? Houston rode with me for like 3 minutes. I asked him if he wanted to watch Lightning McQueen. He said yeah, so he's inside watching Cars 3. And my little brother's inside. My little brother lives with us, he's inside. He's gonna check on Houston, make sure he's good. They're together. Houston's not being left alone. I'm gonna get back on the tractor, help out there, and yeah. Cody's cleaning it so he can take it back. I guess it's like, it's really wet out. And so he was sinking. And so he's just gonna clean it and take it back. Who knows? I don't know. He might use the tractor to move the rock, but I don't know what his plan is. So I don't know what we're doing the rest of the day. We'll see. How's it going, Bubs? Yeah, Dada's on the excavator.
She's stuck.
Yeah, he was stuck.
I get stuck.
Yeah, it's okay. Do you want some lunch?
What I get, Mom?
Oh, yeah. Ow.
We watch a movie.
Yeah.
We watch a movie.
You think so?
It's a movie.
Okay. Say hi, video.
Hi, video.
You taking over? Alright, so I finally just warmed up from being outside and my shoes are soaking wet. So I think to get my mile in today, I'm just gonna walk back and forth in my house and hope for the best. And then, yeah, I've got 2 bottles of water down. I haven't read, I probably should read. And Cody's still working outside. And later I'm gonna have to help him load the quads in our trailer because we're taking them up to get serviced tomorrow. But anyway, I'm gonna try to get my walking in. Here is the data. So far I walked 1 mile a day. So I'm gonna try to get that done. So yeah, anyway. Alright, so like as soon as I started trying to get my steps in, Houston wanted to hang out, and then he heard the tractor going and he wanted to go ride the tractor. So he was riding the tractor helping his dad, and I was walking back and forth like with 7 steps and trying to get my steps in. I did like half a mile, so working on the other half, and then might try to get the workout in before I have to go help Cody load the quads. But yeah, just trying to keep consistent. I know I took the last couple of days off because of being with friends, and you know, having breaks are good, but I do want to stay committed so that I can lose weight. So anyway, that's what happened. All right, got the 2 miles. I'm going to go make dinner, I think, right now, because it's 5. So make dinner and then do my workout. Now we're having cabbage and then pineapple, bacon, chicken, sausage things. But anyway, I got the walk in, so that's another thing to check off. And yeah, I'll just keep on filming the day. Alright, I just finished my workout. I was going to give Houston a bath, put him to bed, and then work out and stuff. Well, I was gonna work out and then do all that. And then Houston was overly tired, so I put him to bed. I did my workout, and I believe the only thing I have left to do now is read my 20 pages, edit 2 videos. It's 8:45, so I'm confident that I will be able to get that done today, which is awesome because I just took a little bit of a break from everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I'm not gonna really Probably won't film any of it because it's just me reading and me editing, so plus I need the SD card. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Also, I was mentioning that I needed to help Cody load quads. We're gonna do that tomorrow, so you'll see that in tomorrow's video. We did get the site prepped, so it's ready for the Connex, and we'll be doing stuff with that tomorrow. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.